We gotta make this video quick, so making lines.
You could just watch with the. We could just do it with this one, and then I could do the other one, and that way we already know. That way we already got the fucking video.
Yeah.
So then we could just do the other one without needing
Alright, well we need to explain what we just did.
Did you even do any?
Huh?
Or anything?
I mean, we're basically making a new fender well. That's fucking shit. And then we gotta drill the holes and stuff. That looks good though. It doesn't look bad at all. And then it's too fucking dark.
Where was the flat?
Because it'll make it look weird. So now we just gotta drill out the holes. And we're screwing in the. Oh yeah, we're screwing in the. Not even riveting them, man. Get this piece of shit out of here. Alright, come on, bolt this on already.
Need 3 of these.
Look at these fucking fresh ass pants and sweater.
Yo.
Come on, hurry up, man. We got 15 seconds into this. So basically, you just cut 10 horsepower right out of there.
Yeah,
I meant add weight reduction.
What are you talking about?
Weight reduction. Next, we're taking out the taillights. The fuck you looking at over there?
We're taking off the hood.
Yeah. Fuck, nah, that's aluminum. Just take off the fenders and the mirrors.
Yeah.
We don't need to look at the haters behind us anyways.
It's true.
Take the convertible off, bro. Let's weld a cage that's solid. Just solid bars. That's gay. It's all about bikinis. Dude, I'm waiting for you to get these bolts over here.
We don't put that on there.
This video can only be 15 minutes long. Don't cut your finger. Could you give us a demonstration and then bolt us, sir? Your head's in the camera. What the fuck are you doing?
You shouldn't have banged that up.
I know, that's what I was saying. I was like, shit. We can fix it later. We can actually bang it up when the fender's on there. How come that you're putting that screw on the inside too? I thought it was supposed to be on the outside.
So
That's legit.
Because it's smoother on the inside. So then it won't. Well, I guess it can't really rub on the
You're gonna have
inside.
nuts on the outside. Isn't that a problem? Dude, you got nipples. It's focused on it right now. Look at the square.
that's funny. Got nips on your car, bro. I wish my car had that small brake calipers. It'd be fucking awesome. Fit like a 14
I have
inch tire
the-
on my car.
I have the RX-7, RX-8 brake calipers for it. I just gotta get rotors.
Alright, we need the fast
How
one.
much is this fucking thing?
400 for both of them.
Holy shit.
I know. You know how many strippers we could have got with that?
A lot.
You know how many Honda Civics we could have got with that? 3. Dude, you're way off over here. I don't know what the fuck you're doing.
Oh, fuck.
Damn it.
You should have held them bitches in.
Okay, put one on this one.
You gotta hold it from the inside. Dude, your nuts are gonna be sticking way out. You really want to?
Yeah.
Damn it.
He's gotta put a washer on everything, I swear to God. I think the rivets are a way better option.
Yeah. I think you should have put the nuts on the other side.
Yeah, I know. That would be
It's
complicated.
kind of gonna stick out though.
It'd be cool if these things were gold.
Lock washer.
He actually was gonna get gold.
Why are you putting 2 washers on this?
It's a lock. It's a normal washer and a lock washer. Because I don't have the nylon.
Overdoing everything.
I'll make sure they stay.
What's funny is these are gonna be coming off in like a couple
True.
days.
But fuck it, I'm driving the other. So.
With one fender. Tell them. Tell people.
I'm doing the other one, or I ain't
Sure.
driving it.
Can you do one more? Mr. Sweater Boy. Where'd you get that sweater from? Let's focus the whole video on the sweater. I don't see Santa Claus on there.
Lost one.
I heard it.
Oh, when would you know?
Yeah.
I just pushed it over to the side on accident.
Oh my God, it's way off.
Look, it
Are
really
them
is.
two holes drilled?
Well, we'll just have to drill the other ones up like this. I think it'll be fine.
Hold it up.
Well, it's also, it's not really pressed up against because there's like a gap
Yeah.
right here and everything. Did you put the lock washer in there?
If it'll turn.
Seems like going right on Sebastian's Honda with
Alright
it.
guys, this is finished product, I guess, almost. I mean, it's not all the way finished. Still gotta get it painted. The lighting sucks in here. Yeah, we just got it bolted on for now. We don't even have rivets. But, it's a good way to hold it on, honestly, if any of you guys want to try to do fender flares. But, lines up with the body pretty good. These aren't even the wheels that are going to be on here. These are the battles. But, yeah, this is this side of the car compared to this side. Honestly, right now, I don't even know how I'm feeling about these fender flares. They look pretty cool. But, yeah, sorry we didn't do too good of a job. I step process. But, definitely on the other side, we have a lot more step-by-step process. Keep in tuned.